Hold Ctrl and press J to make a copy of background layer and change the blending mode of the new layer to screen. If the brightness is not enough and the photo is still underexposed, you can make some other copies again using Ctrl and J. Click on the last layer, hold Shift and click on first new layer and press Ctrl and G to group these layers together. Click on Add Mask button to add a layer mask to grouped layers. Use a large soft brush with low opacity and paint with black on any part of image which is too bright. You can do this again and again until you think the brightness in all part of image is what you need. You can change the opacity of the new group layer to find the best value and best situation. Some little more of brush strokes if you think is needed. Double click on the mask and increase the feather to soften the edges of your brush strokes, and finally click on the eye icon to see the result.